Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to make a paper balloon with at home with easy step. So let's start. So guys, let's start. First, we have to fold the paper in a square shape like this. Let me show you. To this line. Now we have to cut the extra part. Guys, as you can see, we have cut the extra part. Now let's start the next step. Now we have to fold this edge to this edge like this. Now we have to do this same step to this edge. Now we have to fold this edge to this edge. Now you can see we have folded this both edges. Now we have to flip the page. Now first we have to put our left hand over here, then the another like this. Let's start the another side. Now we have to take this edge and place it to this corner like this. Now we have to do this step with the other side also. Now guys, as you can see, we have done this step with the front side. Now we have to do this. Now we have to flip the page and do the same step with this side also. Now guys, as you can see, we have done the step with the both sides. Now we have to take this corner and place it to this line like this. Now we have to do the same step with this side and the back side of the page. Step with the both sides. Now the next step is that we have to take this piece and insert into this hole. The piece into this hole. Insert pause. And guys, as you can see, I have inserted this piece into this hole. Now we have to repeat the same step with this piece and the back side also. Guys, as you can see, I have inserted all the pieces into these holes. Now our last step is completed. Now I will show you how to blow this balloon. First, you have to hold this balloon, place your right hand into these edges and the left hand into these edges and hold it like this. Then you have to blow it from this hole. When you will complete making this, you will see a hole over here. Now you will hold it like this and blow air into this hole like this. Guys, as you can see, this is a balloon and our paper balloon is completed. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and like, and don't forget to share my video.